what's up? It's your girl Chiney K, and welcome to this week's daily vlog number. I can't even keep count, but I am about to go to some kind of fete. I forgot the name of it right now. Some kind of Africa Ignite, something like that. I'm already pre-gaming, got my Hennessy, bitch. I'm about to be lit. I don't even know how long I've been in Trinidad now, but well, hello. It's about to be an amazing night, so stay tuned to the Chiney K Daily vlog. Hold on, I don't want to die. Yeah, so stay tuned to Chiney K Daily vlog, and we about to go in and do some real fetting, eh? Let's go.
One eternity later.
What do you mean?
Come on!
You be yelling at me like she my mom's? Shit. Hi! How are ya? Okay, so this, what's the name of the party, Ree? Try party. Wasn't too happy about it. It wasn't the best as yet. Excuse me. But never like it. So anyways, I didn't really like it. God damn. Hold on. Alright, so like I was saying before, I'm not, do you see where the camera's pointing? The party was alright. Wasn't my favorite, and I'm thinking if I should vlog the breakfast party, because I don't think I vlogged enough of this Kes party. No, what the hell was it? Well, shit, Kes was on the stage so damn long you'd think it's his party. Hold on, I'm getting a text. Anywho, yeah, so I don't know if I should I vlog the breakfast party? I'm talking to you.
My feet are not mine. Damn.
She over here vlogging.
Who's gonna take up this?
Hmm?
I wish I had a bucket to get some Epsom salts and soak my feet.
Ree, should I vlog the breakfast party?
My feet. You should do something.
She said I should do something.
Let them see up here.
The difficulties of taking the shoes off, yeah? Damn, look how red it is. Look at that shit. Oh my god, that's red like a white lady foot. Need help?
Oh god, I was dead.
Oh god, I got dead.
told you my ass.
Come on.
Oi! It can't come off. Oh! Hi! Hi there.
Alright, so
Can I want you to take off your shoes, man? Down the dance floor.
can't show you all that, but maybe I'll vlog the breakfast party. It's Sun Nation's breakfast party, which should be a good party. Hopefully we hear some dance all, right? Probably. And so right now, but the heartache lives on inside. Who is what you're bringing you? Tell me tonight. And where are you now? Now that I need you, tears on my pillow. Wherever you go, girl, what the fuck is this? That leads to your ocean. You never see me fall apart. In words of a broken heart, it's just emotions taking me over. Caught up in sorrow, lost in a song. But if you won't come back, come home to me, darling. Don't you know there's nobody else in this world who'll be time? Don't you know there's nobody else in this world? Kiss goodnight. Oh, hi.
Tomorrow.
I look so pale. I'll go outside. This light makes me look so pale. Hello then. Ready, dressed again, and ready to go. Alright, so we went to Tribe Ignite last night, as you saw. Well, this morning, as you saw. It wasn't my favorite party so far. It was alright. So now it is 6:31 a.m. and I'm on my way to Sun Nation Sunrise Breakfast Party. Now, if it is anything like the breakfast party I went to the 1st of January, then we should have a hit today. And boy, I'm really out for some dancehall because the breakfast party is a Jamaican thing. What's my reach? Sorry, excuse me. Almost there? Okay. So yeah, I'm really hoping this breakfast party is really good. I'm really hoping they play some kind of dance hall, like mix it up a little bit like they would do if we're in Jamaica, because in Jamaica too they play like a soca thing, yeah. So I'm really hoping so, and I'm really hoping to enjoy myself. Outside cool, I'm gonna have on clothes. Oh my god. All right, stay tuned. Yo, big man thing, I real cold. I real tired. And I real fucking hungry. Okay? Ooh. 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 Why is it so cold? Oh. I'll be right back. I'm hungry.